Hi guys, and welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the guitar that you can hear on the song Happy Now by Zedd Elley Duhé. To play in the original key we're going to need a capo on the 2nd fret, but I'm going to do the video without the capo, so if you don't have a capo at home you can still follow the video. Before we start, remember to subscribe to the channel, tune your guitar, and let's begin. So the song starts with the chorus already, and they use guitar only on the chorus. And the guitar that you can hear works like this. We put the index finger on the 3rd fret 6th string, and at the same time the ring finger on the 4th fret 3rd string. With the right hand we play 6th string with the thumb, 3rd string with the middle finger, and 4th string that we have open with the index finger. And that's the pattern that we're going to keep repeating. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, okay? After that we play only one time, and we're going to move the ring finger to the 7th fret on the same strings. We're going to use the same strings all the time. On the same string, 7th fret, but this time we put the middle finger on the 7th fret 6th string, and the right hand uses that pattern 6, 3, 4, and only one time as well. Okay, after that we move that ring finger 1 fret to the 6th fret, and we put back the index finger, the position that we had on the beginning, on the 5th fret. And this time we're going to play that chord 3 times, like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so when I play from the beginning, sounds like this. 2, 3. Okay, and after that we play the 6th string again with the thumb, and we do slide to the 10th fret, and we play that again with the thumb. Okay? So there we get the first measure and the first tone of the second measure. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And once we're there, we have the same position, so we have 10th fret on the 6th string, 11th fret on the 3rd string, and we start again with that pattern with 6, 3, 4. This time we're going to play it 2 times. Okay, so I'm going to play from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 2. Play it one more time. Okay, and then we come back to the first chord on the 3rd fret, 6th string, and 4th fret, 3rd string. And we play that 3 times. So from the beginning sounds like this. 1, 2, 3. Play one more time. And we just have to keep repeating that guitar. When we start again, we have to play the thumb 2 times. Okay, otherwise if we don't do that, we're out of the measure. So I'm going to play it 2 times. I play measure 1, 2, and I repeat. And pay attention how I play 2 times with the thumb every time that I change the measure. a little bit faster. Faster. Okay, and that's the guitar that you can hear on the chorus. When we play the verse, they don't have any guitar there, but if you want to play along to the original one, or if you want to sing and you want to play the whole song, they keep using the same chords, so we can do a G, B minor, A, and the rhythm is the same that we play when we play like this, and after that is D, B, G. So we don't have any guitar there, but you can play something like this. And that was Happy Now by Zedd Elley Duhé. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this one, and if you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram or Instagram TV, and you can visit my website EasyGuitarTube.com if you want to download the tabs for this song and watch all my other tutorials. Thanks for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.